ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्री राम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम। जय जय राम। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ॐ श्री रामचन्द्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातन्नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातन्नमामि। ॐ श्री हनुमते नमः। ॐ ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचा तत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनम्। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः श्री तुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ॐ श्री तुलसीदासाय नमः। Hari Om, a warm welcome to this series. In the previous series, we saw that Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji, Sita ji, and Lakshman ji, they settled in that wonderful kutira which was made. And then we saw in the 141st doha, Ramu Lakhanu Sita Sahita सोहत परन निकेत जिमि बासव बस अमरपुर सची जयंत समेत सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। उमापति महादेव की जय। बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। Just as the God of the celestial being, the Lord of the celestial beings, Indra Devata, very happily settled in the Amaravati, in the Indraloka, the city of immortals, along with his Shachi and Jayanta, his wife consort, Shachi. Though here it is Sachi, but actually Shachi and Jayanta, his son, the way they settled happily there, Ramchandraji, Sitaji and Lakshmanji settled in this wonderful kutira made of leaves. We will now continue with the 142nd Chaupai. जोग वही प्रभु सिय लख नहीं कैसे, पलक बिलोचन गोलक जैसे, से वही लखनु सिय रघुबीरहि, जिमि अविवेकी पुरुष शरीरहि, एहि विधि प्रभु बन बसहि सुखारी, खग मृग सुर तापस हितकारी, कहेउ राम बन गबनु सुहावा, सुनहु सुमंत्र अवध जिमि आवा, फिरेउ निषादु प्रभु ही पहुँचाई, सचिव सहित रथ देखे सि आई, मंत्री बिकल बिलोकी निषादु, कहीं न जाई जस भयउ विषादु, राम राम सिय लखन पुकारी, परेउ धरनी तल व्याकुल भारी, देखी दही नदी सिहायहि नाही, जनु बिनु पंख बिहग अकुलाई, नहि तृण चरहि न पियहि जलू, मोचहि लोचन बारी, व्याकुल भये निषाद सब, रघुबर बाजी निहारी, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भय सब संतन की जय, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। जोग वही प्रभु सिय लख नहीं कैसे, पलक बिलोचन गोलक जैसे. Just as the eyelids protect the eyes, they are so protective. That is the best example one can give for somebody who protects another. Like the mother protects the child, the eyelids protect the eye, the eyelids protect the eyes. The Lord took care of Sita ji and Lakshmana in the same way. सेवहि लखनु सिय रघुबीरहि, जिमि अविवेकी पुरुष शरीरहि. While Lakshman ji took care of Sita ji and Ramchandra ji, the aviveki, the manava janma, the avivekis, they take care of their sharira. Look at the interesting example. He says, aviveki, fools, take care of the sharira. So much we take care of our sharira. Eating, looking good, excellent dresses and ornaments. So much we take care of sharira. They are fools. Whereas Lakshman ji, he did not bother about his sharira. He took care of Sita ji and Ramchandra ji, but not only the way we take care of sharira, but 1,000 million times more than what we would take care is what Lakshman ji took care of Ramchandra ji and Sita ji. Ehi vidhi prabhu bana basahi sukhari. In this way, Lord Ramchandra ji along with Sita ji and Lakshman ji lived happily in the forest. Khagamriga surata pasa hitahari. One who is so very friendly towards birds, deers and all other jantus which were living in the forest near the ashram. So as to even he would take care of gods and celestial beings, ascetics, Santa Purusha, etc. He also took care of birds and deers and all animals. Kahiu Ram ban gavan suhava. Thus, Tulsidasi now says, I have now told you about how Ramchandra ji lived happily in the forest. Now, here at this point, not concludes, he takes the camera towards the other side. Ramchandra ji, Lakshman ji, and Sita ji are now happily living in that beautiful Paranakutira. Now the camera is turning. Where is it turning? Sunahu Sumantra Abadhajimi Ava. Now here, Sumantra ji reached Ayodhya. We may say outskirts of Ayodhya because he will meet Nishad Raj now. He reached the outskirts of Ayodhya. Phirevu Nishadu Prabhu hi pahunchai. And then he came and Nishad Raj, he also saw Sumantra ji. Sachiva Sahita Ratha Dekhasi Ai. He saw the minister Sumantra coming with the chariot. Mantri Bikala Biloki Nishadu. Looking at the Nishad Raja, even the Mantri felt very distressed. Why? He has come without Ramchandra ji. He was so distressed when he saw Nishad Raja. Kahina jai jasa bhayavu nishadu. It was Kahina jai. Nishadara, you know that Vishada. It cannot be described. So painful. Rama Rama Siya Lakhana Pukari. He cried out. Ram, Ram, Sita, Lakshmana. He cried out. Parevu Dharani Talabhyakula Bhari. He dropped himself in the floor, meaning he fell down, utterly helpless. Dekhi Dakhina Desi Hayani Khihinahi. All the horses, even looking at the sight, they were also feeling so distressed. You know, it is wrong to say that animals don't have a heart. They may be working according to the way they are tamed, probably, but they also have a heart. This we see in fact today's world. We see in all those in the YouTubes we find the dogs, the cats, even the parrot, and so many other. Why? Even lions and tigers are calmed down by the love of those people who trained them. Isn't it? Recently I saw one very wonderful video. One lady, very short lady, she had brought up the tiger cubs in a particular zoo. And the cubs were so attached, she would take the cub like a child and keep it in her lap and feed that cubs with milk bottle. In a bottle she would feed. And while she was feeding, she would talk to them. And they would look at her while drinking milk, they will keep observing her, talking. And she would call them Chinnu and so many other names. In Chinnu is a very interesting name in South. In Karnataka, it is very common. Chinnu, Chinna, Muddu, like that they would call. You may know all those names in your bhasha also, whatever it may be. She would call them like that. She would talk to them. And the best part is they would observe her so much and they would understand also. It is so obvious. So it is possible that animals also respond to love. And Ramchandra ji would, love them so much. And then when the horses realize that Ramchandra ji is not there, therefore Sumantra ji is disturbed, distressed, even they would shed tears. They would even, we called last week we saw neighing means what they would, they would sigh. In our bhasha, for us it is sighing, for them it is neighing. But they would even express their dukkha. Dekhi dakhina disi haya hihi nahi. Horses were suffering. Janu binu pankha bihaga akulai. Even the birds, they were so restless. And they used to shatter their wings out of pain, out of sorrow. Nahi trina charahi na piyahi jalu mochahi lochana bari. They would not eat. We human beings, out of some reaction, some situation, we would say, I don't want food, I don't want to drink it, I don't want some reaction. When the stomach later, we also eat, no doubt. But then we would also express our sorrow by not consuming food. Even those animals and pakshis, they would not drink water. They would not eat even grass. They won't eat, the horses. Mocha hilochana bhari. Their eyes kept on shedding tears. Vyakula baye nishada sab. Nishada? And all of them who were there, they were so distressed, they were pained. Raghubara Baji Nihari, seeing the horses of Sri Rama, horses, please note, seeing the pain in the horse's heart, all Nishada and all the people there, they were also very unhappy. They were also feeling that pain, that sorrow. Continuing. धरि धीरजु तब कहई निषादु अब सुमंत्र परिहरहु विषादु तुम पंडित परमारथ ज्ञाता धरहु धीर लखि भिमुख विधाता विविध कथा कही कही मृदुबानी रथ बैठारे उबर बस आनी शोक शिथिल रथु सकई नहाकी रघुबर बिरह पीर उर बाकी चर फराही मग चलहि न घोरे बन मृग मनहु आनी रथ जोरे अढुकी परहि फिर घेरहि पीछे राम वियोगी बिकल दुख तीछे जो कह राम लखनु बैदेही हिंकरी हिंकरी हित हे रही तेहि बाजी बिरह गति कहीं किमि जाति बिनु मनि फनिक बिकल जेहि भाति भयउ निषादु विषाद बस देखत सचिव तुरंग बोली सुसेवक चारि तब दिए सारथी संग सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। धरि धीरजु तब कहई निषादु. When Sumantra fell down crying, beating his head and things like that, Nishad Raja said, Dhari Dhiraju, please recover. First, Nishad Raj recovered. He is also in pain. He is also crying. He was also suffering. But then he recovered first, and then Ab Sumantra Pariharahu Bishadu. He said, Hey Sumantra, now cease sorrow. Why? Now nothing can be done. At this moment, nothing will change. Therefore, we need to recover. This is a very interesting lesson for all of us also. At every given period of time, we have to face situation. We have to face challenges. Sitting down in a corner and crying will not solve anything. Yes, sorrow is there. Understandable. It is painful. Agreed. But we have to regain our poise. We have to collect ourselves, compose ourselves, and then think on what next we have to do. This is the way an intelligent person should work. Look at that. Nishad Raja also is unhappy. Sumantra also is unhappy. Horses are unhappy. But Nishad Raja gains some control and then he tells Sumantra, Dhari Dhirajo, recall yourself, hold yourself. Okay? Tuma Pandita Paramartha Gyata. Hey Sumantra, you are a Pandita, you are a knower. You are a wise man. You have the wisdom. And Paramaratha Gyata, you are the knower of the highest truth. If you fall down, then what is the whole purpose? Dharahu dhira lakhi bimukha bidhata. Therefore, hey, Mantri, compose yourself, realizing that this is Bidhata's decision. It is a fate, it is a destiny which is written by Bhagavan for you to go through. Take it on the stride. Bibidhi katha kahi kahi mridubani. Look at that. Nishad Raja, tribal Raja, gave so many stories of the past, of the ancient lore. He gave so many stories to bring that courage in Sumantra. Ratha baitare ubara basa ani. He then took him and made him sit forcefully in the chariot. He has to go. He cannot be there also. Sokasi thila rathu sakai nahaki. But then Sumantra, he was overpowered by grief. Therefore, he was not able to ride the chariot. Raghubara biraha pira ura bhaki, because the agony of separation, Raghubara biraha, that agony of separation from Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji is very severe, very heavy in his heart. Charaparahi maga chalahi nagore. The horses also would not move. It knows the route, but even that would not go because it was getting so fidgety, we say. It was getting so restless. Banamriga manahu aniratha jore. Even the wild animals, Banamriga, even they are put into so much of stress, so much of distress. Adhuki parahi piri herahi piche. They would topple down. Because the eyes are so wet, full of tears, they can't move. And it is the forest. It is not beautiful, nicely asphalted road and all. It is forest. Stones would be there, ups and downs would be there. They would topple down. Rama biyogi bikala dukhatiche. They are all suffering from the distress. Rama biyogi. All were, very, very distressed. And they also had anguish on the people who sent him to forest. One way they are happy because they could get the darshan, but they are also unhappy because they sent Ramchandra ji, Sita ji and Lakshman ji to forest and they are going through tough time. Therefore they were in agony. Jo kaha Ramu lakhanu baidehi. If anyone even spelled Ramchandra ji, Sita ji, Lakshmana, hinkari hitahera hitehi, they would start shivering, neighing, crying because of the Lord for Bhagavan, because of the love for the Lord Sita ji and Lakshman ji. Baji birahagati kahi kimi jati. Kahi kimi jati, nobody can ever express through words all that, that pain that we're undergoing because of this separation. How can anybody express the pain of the horses, let alone the human beings? Binumani phanika bikala jehi bhati. They were so restless, they were crying all the time. And, just as it is said, like the snake which is so restless when the money has been snatched away, robbed of. That much of distress everybody were undergoing, even the horses. Bhayamu nishadu bishad bas dekhat sachiva tarturanga. Nishada was very, overcome by grief by seeing the minister and the horses. In fact, the pain that all the Rama Bhaktas had was as equal to, or the pain the even animals and now the horses they underwent. Boli susevak charitab diye sarathi sanga. He knew that Sumantra is not in the right frame of mind. Horses are all not in frame of mind. Therefore, Nishad Raja said, he called the best of four sevaks, his servants, meaning soldiers. Then he said, go along with them until the palace and come back. So he sent along. Continuing. गुह सारथि पिरेवु पहुँचाई बिरहु बिषादु बरनि नहीं जाई चले अवधले रथ ही निषादा हो ही छन मगन विषादा सोच सुमंत्र बिकल दुख दीना धिग जीवन रघुबीर बिहीना रहीन अंतहु अधम शरीरु जसु न लहेउ पिछुरत रघुबीरु भये अजस अघ भाजत प्राणा कवन हेतु नहीं करत पयाना अह मंदु मनु अवसर चूका अजहु न हृदय होत दुई टूका मीचि हाथ सिरु धुनि पछिताई मनहु कृपन धन राशि गवाई बिरिद बाधी बर बीरु कहाई चले वो समर जनु सुभट पराई प्रविवेकी वेद विद सम्मत साधु सुजाति जिमि धोके मद पान कर सचिव सोचते ही भांति सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। गुह सारथि पिरे पहुँचाई। Now Guha, the Nishad Raja, seeing off the minister going along with his four security guards, he sent him off and then he returned. बिरहु बिषादु बरनि नहीं जाई. Again, even Nishad Raj was in such an mental agony for the separation of not only Ramchandraji, Lakshmanji, Sitaji, now Sumantraji also. It was so difficult to express in words. Chale avadhas lehi rathahi nishada. Now Nishadas also felt we should go, and they also drove to Ayodhya. Ho hi chana magana nibishada. Every moment to moment they were all plunged in sorrow. Socha sumantra bikala dukhadina dhiga jivana raghubira bihina. Without Ramchandraji, life itself is a curse. Dhiga jivana raghubira bihina. The whole life itself is a curse. So agitated, so struck with grief, Sumantra kept on lamenting. Rahihina antahu adhama sariru. This wretched body. Why is it still surviving? It should die. Jasuna laheu bichurata raghubiru. What a pity. What a pity. This particular body is still functioning. Hmm? Without the presence of Raghuvira, Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji. Therefore, it is right time now for this jiva to part from this body. Let me die. Kavan hetu nahi karat payana. What is that which prevents the life to go away from the body? I can't understand. Ahaha manda manu avasara chuka. Alas. This stupid soul is missing the chance of giving up this body for the sake of Ramchandraji. Ajahuna hridaya hota duhituka. And the heart does not break in vain. Even now, why is it holding on? Niji hath sirudhuni pachitai. He went on, wringing his hands, and he kept on beating his head. Manahu kripana dhana rasi gavai. Like a miser who lost his riches, he was also so restless. Birada badhi barabiru kahai. It as though seemed as, like assuming the role of a hero, a great warrior. Chalevu samara janu subhata parayu. Like a great warrior taking this one flight, assuming as though it seemed he had to go. He went. Tulsidas ji, he says, Bipra bibeki beda bida. Sumantra ji, who is Bipra, a Brahmana, Viveki, the one who has got right discrimination, Veda Bida, the one who has the knowledge of the Vedas, of the Shastras, Sumanta Sadhu Sujati, like the Brahmana of the noble descent, of the noble Kula, Jimmy Dhoke Madapana Kare, such a Brahmana who is well versed in the Shastra, who is a wise person, an ability to discriminate properly, such a Brahmana, he got deluded into drinking Madapanakara. Jimmy Dhoke Madapanakara, Sachiva Sochatehi Bhati. The minister gave himself to grief, and he was all the time crying. We will find the difference between love and attachment here. In our normal life, most of us get separated from so many people. Separated from your friends, separated. Modern days, very often it happens to separated from the other person who is beloved and things like that. Why? At home, we get separated from the parents also. When time comes, everybody have to go, everybody have to die. When father dies or mother dies, so much of sorrow. Is it not? But over a period of time, we recoup ourselves, and then normal life continues. This is nothing but a clear indication of a deep attachment, no doubt. That doesn't mean, let me make myself clear, that doesn't mean that you will not be sorrow at all any further thinking about parents when they go, when the spouse, when they die, or so many cases when children die in front of the eyes of the parents. They are there. That pain will be there, no doubt. But that doesn't mean that we go on crying all the time for eternity. No. After some time we also recoup, isn't it? Here we see the horses, Sumantra, Nishadraj and all the other people, they seem to have that grief for a long period of time, which only indicates the depth of love they have. In our world, in the human life, we find that there is love, there is attachment also. Therefore, the attachment in us towards others slowly declines, deteriorates, and slowly we come back to normalcy. But we find here everybody is unhappy and that pain and suffering continues. Now see, जिमिकुलीनतिय साधु सयानी पति देवता करम मन बानी रहै करम बस परिहर नाहु सचिव हृदय तिमि दारुन दाहु लोचन सजल डीठी भई थोरी सुनई न श्रवण बिकल मति भोरी सूकहीं अधर लागी मुहन लाटी जीवु न जाई उर अवधि कपाटी बिबरन भयउ न जाई निहारी मारे सी मनहु पिता महतारी हानि गलानि विपुल मन व्यापी जमपुर पंथ सोच जिमि पापी बचनु न आव हृदय पछिताई अवध काह में देख बजाई राम रहित रथ देखी ही जोई सकुचि मोहि बिलोकत सोई धाई पूछी हहि मोहि जब बिकल नगर नर नारी उतरु देव मैं सबहि तब हृदय बजु बैठारी सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। जिमिकुलीनतिय साधु सयानी, you know, it was as terrible as that of a virtuous and discreet lady of a high birth. Jimikulina, high birth, higher class of being. Tiya means a lady. Sadhu Sayani, who is of the highest order, very virtuous, very brilliant. Pati Devata Karama Manabani, who is very devoted to her husband by thought, word and deed. Karama Manabani, Rahai Karama Basa Parihari Nahu, who is such a wonderful lady. Because of her destiny, she had to separate from her husband. Sachiva Hridayatimi Daruna Dahu. The minister felt like that in his heart when he had to separate from Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji. Lochana Sajala Deeti Bhai Thori. His eyes was again and again, it is repeated because that deep was the pain. The eyes full of tears. Because of the tears, it lacked vision, proper vision. Sunaina Shavana Bikala Mati Bhori. His ears almost became deaf. And the mind was so agitated, so confused. What to do now? Sukhai Adara Lagimui Lati. His lips were getting dry. The tongue started choking. Jivana Jai Ura Avadhika Party. His very life breath is not departing. That is also another pain added to the suffering earlier, pain that were earlier, the mental agony that were there. Now the added agony is, why is my life not parting away? Bibarana Bayavuna Jai Nihari. It cannot be expressed at all. This term of exiling out of the kingdom, it was so difficult for him to even go near that place, to the palace. Morasi Manahu Pita Mahatari. He had turned so pale, Morasi Manahu, repelled. Means the sight doesn't, the eyes doesn't want to open also. It was as if he had murdered his own parents. That was the pain he was undergoing. Hani galani bipula mana bhyapi. the despondency, which actually preyed upon his mind. Meaning what? The despondency, despair, disturbance, pain, suffering enveloped his mind, occupied his mind because of the loss of Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji. He was completely shattered. Jamapura pantha socha jimi papi. He looked like a sinner himself. Mourning on his way to death. Bachanuna ava hridaya pachitai. Words failed to express itself, and he was lamenting within himself. Not only outside loudly, but he was also lamenting completely, shattered. Avadha kahame dekha bajai. What shall I see on reaching Ayodhya? Without Ramchandraji, Ayodhya is nothing. What is there to see in Ayodhya? Why should I go back to Ayodhya? Rama rahita ratha dekhi joi. Whoever sees my ratha without Rama in it, sakuchahi mohi bilokata soi. They will not even come anywhere near me. They will, reject me for leaving Ramchandraji in the forest. Dhai puchahi mohi jab bikala nagar naranari. When all the men and women, citizens of Ayodhya, when they come, and when they make enquiries, where is Rama, where is Sitaji, where is Lakshmana, when they make enquiries, what shall I answer them? Utaru deva mai sabahitaba hridaya baju baithari. He doesn't know what to answer. He sat helplessly in the ratha itself, unable to move further, unable to think, unable to even discriminate. He was so shattered. We will give time for him to cool down and meet him tomorrow and see what he does tomorrow. All right. सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय, श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।